It's 10:30 at night, and I'm doing a final check to make sure I've got everything going for the chickens in the morning. Guardian dog, check. Small tote with fresh pine shavings, check. I've got my hover brooder, yep. Feeder and water, yep. Food's in the car already. I need to get some Justin Rhodes miracle water or magic water, whatever he calls it. I have to find one of his videos and look that up. And then expecting a phone call from the post office in the morning to go get baby chicks. The kind of a funny time of the year for chicks, but my reading, my research, other YouTube videos suggests it's actually not that stupid of an idea. Yeah, it's winter, it's going to get cold. I have the greenhouse, I have the garage, which I can heat, and get them through winter. And that way, by the time they start laying, it's spring, and I don't lose prime egg laying season growing them out to be big enough to lay eggs. So we've had good luck. Last batch we got about this time of the year. I'm gonna try it again. It's baby chick day. We just got the phone call. Mama's leaving right now to go get the babies. We gotta make some magic water. Should have made it last night, but I didn't. So we're gonna do that this morning. Magic water is, what's magic water?
Clover, garlic, honey, water, and apple cider vinegar.
Yeah, but why do we use magic water?
I don't know.
It's like a vitamin drink, like a health drink for the baby chicks. So a little bit of probiotics, a little bit of sugar just to get that energy boost, a little bit of garlic just to the immune support for the garlic and stuff like that. This is the wrong apple cider vinegar. We wanted the Bragg's, but we got what we got. So I've already minced up the garlic and put it inside. So we want 1 good spoon of honey. Can you guys put the honey in there? Can you get it?
No. Let me try.
Here, grab the bottom of the jar. Oh, there we go.
Okay, spoon.
Yeah, 1 big spoon. Do you remember, is that our holy honey from the honey that came out of the church, or is that from one of the neighbors?
I think it was one of the neighbors.
Okay. So that's fresh local honey. You can just put that right in there and just stir it up. So this is local honey from a mile away, one of the neighbors. Pretty sure a lot of those bees were in my yard when I tried to have a beehive and rubbed my hive out. We'll try again. All right. Is that spoon clean? Oh, give it a good stir. Get that spoon nice and clean.
There you go.
All right. So then fill that spoon up with a bit of, whoa. Turn. I'll get the top, you guys get the bottom. There we go.
Okay, you pour, I hold. Yeah, I gotta hold on there. I can hold it like this.
Here, let Julie pour it, Ava. She's gonna hold it more level. There we go. And then that goes in. Lots of spilling, extra spilling. All right, give that a good stir. Perfect. And then we put our stuff away, and I will go get the tote with the stuff for the baby chicks. And there's our tote with the hover brooder. One of the things I've figured out is if I put this at a diagonal, I don't have to constantly adjust it. Though it should start on the left side because it's lower. And if they're too warm, they'll move away and to the right side. And when like everybody's on the right side, then I'll go ahead and I'll pick this left side up. So I'll always have it rocking back and forth, just to try to make it more comfortable for the birds. And so I'm not constantly fiddling with it. What do we got? Oh. These are little baby Asa Browns. All right. Do you remember how to do it? We dip their beak in the water, and then put them under the brooder light.
We're keeping each other warm.
Yep. All right. Let's start putting them in. Got another one, Mama? Oh yeah, all that peeping would drive the presentation I got to give in a few minutes. Everybody on that call nuts.
Take one. Put their beak in the water and then put them under the... See what?
Chickadee chick.